Have you ever wanted to go scalloping, or maybe you don't even know what scalloping is, but I'm here to teach you everything that you need to know and some critters that we saw along the way. First off, there's two types of grass, this thicker bladed grass, which is called sea turtle grass, and a thinner hair-like grass that is called manatee grass. You can also find these patches of this reddish brown beds that I like to call it, that make for scallop heaven. Now these are the little guys that you're looking for. They have beautiful fluorescent blue eyes sticking out of the grass. Sometimes they're easy to spot like this guy, or other times are a lot harder and will even try to come after you like this little one did. As I was swimming along, I also happened to notice this little sea star. He's known as a common starfish in North Florida. It was super cute, but I put him back. I've also never seen scallops put on such a show before. They're usually super easy to grab. I barely spotted this old fella. He is a banded tulip snail, and they have these beautiful red bodies, a very unique striping on their shells. You could barely see because of all the green. He is a little bit older, and about 4 inches, they say, is as big as they get. They could get a little bit bigger, but I put him back and sent him on his way. This little guy is a toadfish, and they can let you get pretty close to them. I probably saw 3 or 4 while we were swimming. He also just ran straight into my scallop bag, which made my scallops go crazy. This little guy was super easy to spot because he was white shell up, and usually they have their green shell on top to kind of camouflage them into the grass. But we weren't doing so hot, so we went back to the boat to have a little snack. We moved the boat to a different spot, and immediately I come across this boxfish. He has this crazy pattern, but he didn't really want his picture taken, so I left him alone. I also noticed this little lightning whelk deep in the sand, and yes, it was empty, but because it was so small, I left him for the crabs. Now, this thing, I have no idea what it is. It has these blue fluorescent tentacles coming out of it, and in all of my 21 years of being in these waters, I've never seen one of these. Would love to identify, and we were doing pretty well, but then I come across this big boy, and I got so excited because we rarely see these anymore. This is a larger lightning whelk, but there was a little fella inside, so I admired his shell and placed him back. It's kind of odd how little we see these anymore. When I was a kid, we for sure would see one pretty much every time we went out. Spotted another little starfish. Now this guy is a sea urchin, fairly recognizable, definitely different than the ones that we came across in Hawaii. Harmless to touch, but very invasive. My family and I have gone scalloping every summer for as long as I can remember, and it truly, at a young age, grew my love for the ocean. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a couple things along the way. Bye-bye.